Welcome to another edition of Ask Nappy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of AppyPie. Today's question comes from Rohan from New Delhi, India, and he wonders if he could create a virtual assistant that could aid him with the customer success or customer support for his IT business. Yes, Rohan, with AppyPie's chatbot builder, you can certainly create your own virtual assistant. At the moment, AppyPie's virtual assistant are targeted to banking or your financial sector. They're also targeting medical sector, and we're also focusing on customer support, customer success, and the recruitment industry at large. But you mentioned in your question that you are in an IT industry and you are looking for customer support virtual assistants. So at AppyPie, we definitely have a customer support template already readily available. So you could actually simply go onto a virtual assistant page, leverage the template that we have already created, and start deploying that virtual assistant on your website. Now let me get into the nuances of our virtual assistant for customer support industry. These virtual assistants that we have created are your intelligent smart bots. What I mean by intelligent is that they are powered by our proprietary AI and ML technologies. So if you already have an existing knowledge base that's already implemented on your website, you could simply take that link and put it on our website, and our crawlers will go and scan all those questions and extract all the questions along with the respective answers and build a KB within the chatbot or this virtual assistant environment that we have created. So the visitors then who come to your website and they're asking questions pertaining to that knowledge base, automatically the chatbot would recognize the question. They can use different ways and different means of asking the same question. For example, if someone asks about can I know some more information about the pricing? Automatically the chatbot or the virtual assistant would be able to relate that you're talking about pricing, and if you already have a pricing answer, automatically the chatbot would display the answer over there. The user can ask the same question in 10 different ways, but our intelligent virtual assistant technology automatically understands the context of the visitor's question, and 9 out of 10 times it's able to relate to that question and gives a relevant answer. However, in some cases, when your customers are asking for questions which are not part of your KB, you have the option to relay that particular question to a live agent using your own existing live chat platform, or you could hook up that chatbot to the live chat technology that we provide on AppyPie's live chat. So the use case would be users coming in, asking multiple questions on your website. If the chatbot is able to answer those questions, they'll be able to answer it. For some reason, the virtual assistant does not have that answer. You could relay that user's question to an actual agent. The chat now gets transferred to an actual agent. Agent is able to respond. So what essentially virtual assistant is doing is acting as an intermediary and reducing the workload on your actual agents. So this use case is primarily for the customer support, customer success industry. But you could leverage our technology to create your awesome banking chatbot. You could also create your medical virtual assistant or your recruitment bot. In use cases like that, a lot of hospitals are using AppyPie's medical chatbots to deploy our virtual assistants on their website to give them answers of the general questions in regards to the surgery payments, in regards to the procedures they offer, doctor appointments. Banking industry is also using AppyPie's banking chatbots or virtual assistants to create and deploy an app for the usual questions like how often the checkbook, how to change their address, how to change their phone numbers, and also some more advanced questions in relation to the account. For that, you require API connectivity. We can talk about it in one of the later sessions. If you like this edition, then do remember to share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.